In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a curtain wall in Revit using the wall tool. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open the wall placement tool, pick the right curtain wall type, and draw it just like any other wall, whether you're in plan or an elevation view. First, let's open the wall tool. In the ribbon, go to Architecture, then click Wall and choose Wall. This activates the wall placement tool and puts your cursor in drawing mode. You'll see options appear in the Properties palette and the Options bar, so you can control how the wall is placed. If you prefer shortcuts, this is the same command you get with the WA hotkey, but using the menu makes it clear where everything lives. With the wall tool active, look over to the Type selector at the top of the Properties palette. From here, choose a curtain wall type. Revit includes default options like Curtain Wall 1, Storefront, and Exterior Glazing. Curtain Wall 1 is a good blank starting point because it doesn't impose a predefined grid. Storefront often has a regular grid with mullions that works well for entrances and ground floors. Exterior glazing is typically set up for larger glass areas. You can always switch types later, so pick the one that best matches your design intent right now. Now draw the curtain wall just like a regular wall. Click once to start, move your cursor to define direction and length, and click again to finish. In a plan view, this gives you a clean top-down placement along your floor plan lines. In an elevation or section, you can click and drag vertically or diagonally to set the height and span visually. Watch the temporary dimensions as you move. They help you keep things precise. Use snaps to align with grids, levels, or edges of other elements, and hold Shift to keep lines perfectly horizontal or vertical. If you need to end a run, press Escape once to stop drawing more segments, and again to exit the command. If your curtain wall looks reversed relative to interior or exterior, don't worry, you can flip its orientation after placement by selecting it and using the flip controls. That's all there is to it. Open the wall tool, choose a curtain wall type from the type selector, and draw the wall with simple clicks. Practice placing a few variations in both plan and elevation so the process feels natural, and you'll be ready to integrate curtain walls confidently in your projects.